Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm gonna do something that I wanted to do for some time, is disabling that annoying beep that you get when you get down to 10%. You're just trying to concentrate and figure out how to land the drone, how to bring it home, and that buzzer just keeps going off and it's loud and annoying. Well, I found a way how to quiet it down. I already made a video how to strip the controller down to the part that we're gonna show you right now. So watch this video right above. I'm gonna link that video, watch it, and that video will take you to the point of this modifications. Okay guys, you watched the video how to get to this point right here where we're at right now. Hot glue gun is on. If you're afraid to damage insides of it, just put some of the tape on top of this. It looks intimidating with all the screws and everything, but trust me, just take it easy. When you're taking screws apart, put them in order and get yourself a piece of paper, put little circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put screws as you go. So now watch rest of this video that I posted at the beginning, how to take it apart. Now watch rest of that video, how to put it back together, because in that video I'm just gonna assemble that with new antenna brackets. Watch that video. It was silenced with a silenced beeper. So anyway, thank you for watching.